Hey, what's up, guys? This is your man from the Forex Strategy Factory, man. Like I promised you, that I'm gonna give you a kind of video talking about Bollingerbands and how it's breaking some levels. I think the best way we wanna trade Bollingerbands with the indicators that really fit and suit it. Now let's go. Now I want to go first. As you all know, my candlesticks is what I'm gonna bring first of all. Insert indicators, custom indicators. Yep, Asian. All right, this is my best candlestick ever. I don't use it though. I have a special one I use. Now, this is the point right here. Now, let us go and do some little things here, adding our Bollingerbands. And the Bollingerbands I'm going to use right here is going to be the 20 period deviation tool. Alright, now make it the color. Let's change this color to look like, let's say our color is going to look something people can see properly. Alright, okay, maybe this color is also good. But let's go. Okay, man, this is the Bollingerband 20 deviation tool. This is exactly what it looks like. And the reason why I like it is that it aligns with the price. Okay, now this is it. Okay, we want to put some kind of apart from this Bollingerband, you know, when you want to take a trade on this, you know, it's really confusing. Okay, for people who don't know about Bollingerband and how it goes, it's really confusing. Okay, now look, if a Bollingerband is gonna change its trend, look, it makes a one top here, two top here, which is rising up. Okay, now here it makes the one here, one bottom here. It's gonna flat. It's gonna create the second bottom, and that should be the end of Bollingerbands. But now let us see when it's rising up. Then we want to pick this trade from the bottom to know fast that it's rising up. We want to pick it because we don't want to come pick something here and lose all these moves. We want to pick it right from here. But before we do all these things, man, you know, let me add a spice of something that can do it properly. Let's say we go put something called let's say the follow line. You know, I want to go get this follow line. Follow line is from mql5.com. It's not my product. I found it useful for these things I'm doing here. That's why I'm using it. Okay, this is follow line. It's a free tool. The BB period, we're gonna change it to 20. Everything's gonna match, and deviation is gonna be 2.0 deviation. And the MA period, we're gonna put our MA period of let's say 50, because we're gonna use that. Okay, I just want you to see what is going on. Please pay attention and look properly. Use ATR. Now this ATR is gonna filter noise away. Use LTR. True, it's gonna filter the noise away. Allow this on. That is cool, that is nice. And type of arrow is gonna be a simple arrow. We want a simple arrow. Okay, we don't want open close, we don't want high low, we want a simple arrow. Now let's see what happens here. Pay attention. Now you see what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying. This is enough. Honestly, this is enough to show us that yes, this Bollingerband is about to rise from this low. Is gonna rise up. This is enough. And you see the follow line. The follow line also follows it. Okay, until the day it was now changing to a down, and follow line became red and start going with it. Now you know that the price will shoot and try to go out of the band itself, but that does not mean we should be confused. Alright, now we're gonna fix this one properly to show that this is going down right now, Okay, because the Bollinger Band has indicated that it's going down. Now, what should we go and do? Let's go pick our moving average. We go pick our moving average 50. Like I told you, we're still gonna use it, but we're gonna change the color. We don't want the color to be same like every other thing here. Let's change this color to a kind of let's say it's a moving average changing to red. All right, man. Look at it. Your Bollinger Band says it's going down from here and it's now come below the 50 period moving average. This 50 period will be pushing it down. That's that. We don't need much of this. Okay? Only this is enough to do a lot with Bollinger Bands. But it's enough. Look, it's enough. Okay, it's enough. Great. Okay, if we want to make it a little bit spicy and make it a little bit cool and solid, now we're gonna go put this thing that is called BB flat trend. Okay, because you know what, we got a trade from here. Maybe from this flat trend, maybe we want to just say, okay, let us wait for a retracement and add one more entry, you know, for the sake of this thing. Or mostly we like to know when Bollinger Band is flat. Now come, let's go. BB flat trend. It's also free indicator. MQL5.com is not my product. Bollinger Band 20, deviation 2. Okay, flat factor 1.8. Everything is okay, cool. Signal, sound, cool. Alert is cool. Everything is cool. Push to send you notification to your iPhone or whatever, Android or what, I don't know. But now, booyaka. Okay, this is 20 period, BB flat trend of 20 period. Okay, but we're gonna go do, if we make it 20 period, let's see, if we make it you know, let's make it correspond with the moving average 50 period. Okay man. You see, this Bollinger Band here already signified to you we're going down. Right here signify we're going up. Okay, but you know what, everything changed to green, telling you this Bollinger Band is going up. Right here it's changed to neutral, which means it's flat. Man, it's flat. But you got this arrow that says this Bollinger Band is going down, and you got this red signal here which is going down, you know. And after that you see all these red things happening here, which means what? Which means the Bollinger Band is going down. Okay, the reason for this video is to filter confusion about when you using Bollinger Bands. You understand? You know, it's profitable, seriously profitable, but you know, highly confusing for people who don't know how to use it. Okay, remember, we want to put some, we're gonna put one more thing. What's that again? Follow line, a BB flat trend. Yeah, I think this is enough. All right, this is enough. This is just enough. Okay, there's one spice that I always put. I love that spice very well, but you see, but even you don't use it, it's cool. It's okay. It's okay. Wait, I want you to see it. Even if you don't use it, it's okay. This is Cajun. Come on. Cajun. I want to show you something about Cajun. Forex Cajun fluctuation indicator. We're gonna put Cajun right here, and let's say we're gonna set it a period of 50 period Cajun, level 25, smooth 14. Everything is okay, man. Alert on current true, everything cool, notify, email, everything is okay, man. The color of my Cajun, okay, this Cajun, I don't want this one for going up. I want a green. When my Cajun is going up, I just want a green. Okay, I want to correspond green. But when my Cajun is going down, I want it to show me a red. But let's see if this is cool. Let's see. Okay, man, that's cool, man. Look, This is the reason why I love Kijun. Okay, this is the reason why I love everything I'm doing to correspond. Look at, when this Bollinger Band was making attempt to start going up from here, you see Kijun has already given you a buy signal that we're going to buy. Okay, Kijun, with the settings of this Kijun, is acting according to this Bollinger Band. And this one also, this middle one also here, is called the BB flat trend. Very free on mqf5.com. It's not my product, you know. I just see it as very important and valuable to this thing I'm doing here. You see, everything aligns together to show you that this Bollinger Band is actually going up. Okay, now right here, look at the histogram. The histogram is still green, but look at the Kijun. The Kijun is showing red, telling you to get out. Get out. It's telling you to leave, to leave, to leave, to leave, to leave. And eventually, this arrow came up and tell you we are going down. Okay, but Kijun has been heading down in red. But then your histogram came and said, okay, we're going down. Okay, but look at this one. Look at the follow line. The follow line has been red all the way and start going down. But you know, all these things. For people who know about Bollinger Band, when they see this double top, they know that, okay, Bollinger Band will then drop. Okay, now it's creating one bottom here. The next is going to create another bottom. Okay, that is exactly the reason why I'm in this trade, because if you know about the moving averages, this is a moving average period 50 with price under it. It will carry this price and go down. Okay, apart from using Bollinger Band, but I base this on the Bollinger Band strategy. Okay, I base it on Bollinger Band strategy. Now let's take a look at one thing: how to analyze this Bollinger Band. Look, it's going up on, it's going up on. So put one line here. This Bollinger Band, you know, broke out of here and went up. Okay, create a top here. Okay, and this is the final level, right? This is the final level. Then it creates one bottom here. There's one bottom here. Whatever this thing is passing to you, I don't know, but this is the strategy of how to understand the market. Whatever this thing is passing to you right here, before this thing went up, it's telling you that in the future, this Bollinger Band will go and it will come around this level. Okay, it will come around this level. This is why we are in to get before the level. Okay, but the main point of this line that I have put here is that to show you that when a Bollinger Band cannot also make any top anymore, then it's diving in. Definitely it's going down. This Bollinger Band started, you see, it started all the way from here, couldn't make any top anymore at this point, started diving in. Dive into line 1, dive into line 2, then you know this Bollinger Band is heading down. That's okay. You see, if you have no line also, if you have no line also here, just remove all these lines, and if you don't have any line, you know, let's take this thing off. If you don't have any line using this Bollinger Band, okay, I can tell you that only these indicators, they are enough for you to look at your screen at a glance and tell what is going on. Okay, looking at the screen at a glance and telling what is going on, looking at it, and you know that this is going down. You see, just looking at it for all this red stuff here shows it's going down. Okay, this video is not gonna be any longer than this, man. I think I'm dropping some shit. Okay, I will put this video also on YouTube. I believe you guys will go to my YouTube and check it out, man. If you want more knowledge about this Bollinger Band strategy, it's on my YouTube channel. You go in there, watch it, subscribe, because these are the kind of things I drop. Understand? So what I'm gonna say now is that, man, your boy is checking out, man. Your boy is checking out, man. Expect a double drop. A double drop is gonna happen. It has rise, it's flat, it's gonna drop, double drop. So this is how to analyze Bollinger Band. And I believe this follow line is gonna help you. Bye bye. Bye bye.